Welcome to our channel. Welcome to a new animals video where we explore the fascinating world of animals from their habits and foods to their homes. We will take you on a journey through the animal kingdom. Let's start with giants of savannas, elephants. Elephants are herbivores and primarily eat grasses, leaves, and fruits. Do you know that elephants can eat up to 300 pounds of food in a single day? That's almost their own body weight. Moving to the lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lions are carnivores and primarily eat meat, with their diet consisting of antelopes, zebras, and other large mammals. Their preferred hunting method is to ambush their prey using their powerful legs to pounce and catch them off guard. Moving to the industrious beaver, known for their incredible engineering skills. Beavers build dams to create ponds and protect themselves from predators. They use their sharp teeth to cut down trees and then use mud and sticks to create their homes, called lodges. Leopards are large carnivorous cats that are native to Africa and Asia. They are excellent hunters and can take down prey that is much larger than themselves. Leopards are solitary animals and are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. Ostrich. Ostriches are large flightless birds that are native to Africa. They are known for their long necks and legs and are the largest birds in the world. Ostriches are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animals. They are also the fastest running birds with the ability to reach speeds of up to 70 km per hour. Raccoons. Raccoons are small omnivorous mammals that are native to North America. They are known for their distinctive black and white markings on their face and their dexterous paws. Raccoons are opportunistic feeders and will eat almost anything they can find. Goose. These are large waterfowl birds that are known for their distinctive honking calls. They are often domesticated for their meat and feathers. These are primarily herbivores feeding on grass and other plants. They are also monogamous, meaning they mate for life. Dolphins are highly social marine mammals. They are known for their playful behavior and their ability to communicate with one another using a variety of clicks, whistles, and body language. Bald eagle. Bald eagles are large birds of prey that are native to North America. They are known for their distinctive white head and tail feathers and for their incredible eyesight. Bald eagles are apex predators and feed on fish and small mammals. Moving on to goats. Goats are domesticated mammals that are commonly raised for their meat, milk, and fibers. They are also kept as pets and used for grazing to control vegetation. Goats are small to medium sized animals with an average weight of about 75 pounds. They have two curved horns on their head and a beard on their chin. Their coats are varied in color and pattern, from white to brown or black. Goats are social animals and are often kept in groups called herds. They are also known for their curious and playful nature. Goats are adaptable animals and can live in a variety of habitats, from deserts to mountainous regions. Goats are herbivores and primarily eat plants including grasses, leaves, and shrubs. They are able to digest tough plant material and other animals cannot. Due to their specialized digestive systems, goats also require access to fresh water to stay healthy. Female goats, known as does, typically give birth to 1 to 3 kids per year. Male goats, known as bucks, become sexually mature at about 4 months of age, while females reach maturity at about 6 to 8 months. Goats are used for a variety of purposes around the world. In addition to their meat and milk, their hair and wool can be used to make clothing and textiles. They are also used for weed control and as pack animals in some parts of the world. Monkeys. Monkeys are animals that belong to the primate group. There are over 260 species of monkeys in the world, and they live in many different habitats such as forests, grasslands, and mountains. Monkeys come in many different shapes and sizes. Some are small like The some are small, which is only about 5 inches long and heights less than a pound. Others are weight up to 120 pounds. Monkeys have long arms and legs, which make them very good climbers. They also have hands and feet that are adapted for grasping and holding onto things. This allows them to move around in trees and on the ground with ease. Monkeys are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals.